friends, it's Amanda here. Today we're doing a little haul. This is kind of a different style of a haul because everything that I purchased and everything that I'm going to show you is all me restocking my absolute staple products, makeup and skincare products. These are the things that I go through super quickly, that I repurchase over and over again. And while it's not the glitzy, glamorous world of colorful eyeshadows and lip swatches and all that stuff, these are really the most essential, basic, staple products in my collection, in my life. So I thought it would be good for me to share all of these things with you. Let's start with some of my staple ColourPop products. These are part of a larger order that arrived with some other not restocking my staple type of things. Couple things for gifts, couple things for giveaways, but these two products I repurchased for myself because I use them, I love them, I can't be without them. No surprise, they're from the Pretty Fresh line, the Pretty Fresh blending sponge and the Pretty Fresh concealer. I don't know if you can tell because it sticks pretty well to the side, but this is, I can barely get any product out of here at this point. I have just used this bad boy. I used the shade Light 40N, so I got a brand new concealer. Nice fresh one, nice and full. Pretty fresh. I'm sorry that I said that now that I said it. And you can tell this sponge was really necessary because I used it earlier and it's really dirty, but that's the way it goes. I love this. This is possibly the best makeup sponge that I've ever used. I like this way better than a beauty blender. Even though sponges do last a while, you do need to replace them. There's only so much using and washing that they can really tolerate before it's time to replace them. And it was time for me to replace mine because I used it so much, because I love it so much. Pretty Fresh sponge. Staple item for me. Now, you may be familiar with this little pink bag. This is from Glossier. I bought two new boy brows because boy brow is the best brow gel that I've ever used and I love it so much and I never want to run out of it, and I try to use other ones. I was really on the ABH one for a while. I think the ColourPop one is decent, but this is the best. My favorite, as you can tell. I bought two. Mine was almost out and I was cruising around the Glossier site and I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll try this, maybe I'll try that. Nope, this is what I came for. This is what I bought. The rest of the products I ordered from Sephora. These are all skincare items. These are all replacement items. None of these are new skincare items that I'm testing out. I have two items from Laneige, the cream skin toner. I hauled a mini size of this in my VIB sale haul and I had already almost used it up by the time my monthly favorites rolled around. And I said that I loved it and I was gonna buy the full size, and then here we are. I loved it and I bought the full size. This is such a great toner for dry skin. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Laneige. Also from Laneige, I picked up another lip glowy balm. I don't even know how many of these I've used up. I would not be surprised if I had already gone through 6 or more of these lip glowy balms in all different flavors. I constantly have them everywhere, by my computer, by my bed, in my car, in my purse. I love them. I go through these like water, and I know it's kind of crazy to spend more money on a lip balm, but think of it this way. How often do you use up a whole lipstick that you would easily spend $18 on? I don't use up whole lipsticks very often at all, but I use up a lot of these. So I feel like it's worth my money. Pretty sure these are around $18, worth every penny. Love it. I got the flavor berry. I also really like the peach one. The pear one's okay. I haven't tried the grapefruit. Not big on grapefruit. Berry's my fave. Got a new one. Replacement. I love it. The next two items are from The Ordinary. I have become such a huge fan of The Ordinary skincare. I've been happy with pretty much every product I've ever tried. It's affordable. It works really well. The squalene products in particular are just terrific. If you have dry skin, I cannot recommend these enough. The squalane cleanser and the plant-derived squalane, which is like a oil moisturizer, These have really helped change my skin. My dry skin had gotten so bad, particularly through the winter time, that you could just see like the flakes of my skin coming off. It would be so dry and dull and tight and just uncomfortable. And using these products, I cannot tell you the difference it's made to be double cleansing with a squalane cleanser and really just oiling that bad boy up. Oh man. So good, so affordable. I love it, love it. It took me way too long to jump on the Ordinary train, and now I'm glad. I'm glad I'm a passenger of this train, for sure. Well, okay, I kind of lied. This is a semi-new product for me. This is the Supergoop Jet Set SPF. It's a little mini sunscreen kit. I've been using the Unseen sunscreen and really enjoying it. I have not used the Everyday Lotion. That's an SPF 50. And I haven't used this Defense Refresh Resetting Mist. This really caught my attention because when I'm out in the sun, if I'm wearing makeup, it's not like I'm gonna put sunscreen on top of makeup, but this could offer me a little bit of sun protection. So I'm really interested in that. I thought this little set was super cute. I like little cute things. And a great way to test out some more products from the Supergoop brand because I've been really happy with their sunscreens thus far. Those are some of my most loved, most used staple items, things that I definitely don't want to run out of. I know it wasn't the try on, first impression, get a bunch of swatches type of haul that I usually make, but I hope this gave you a little bit of insight into some of my most favorite, most used products. I would love to hear what your staple items are. What's your skincare, your sunscreen, your lip balm, your brow gel? What are those items that you just go back to time and time again? I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Hello my beautiful friends! Why? I don't do that. Why did I do that? Don't need your jazz hands, woman. First, let's start with a couple A-E-I-O-U ago that arrived. I had a Scooby-Doo moment there. Ruh-roh. Okay. Oh, cute. I got a sticker. Like a child. Ooh. So exciting. Wow, I just like blew through all of that so quickly. Was that fun? Was it lame? Was it boring? Were you into it? Let me know. I'm sure you will. Ooh. Ooh, mama. Ooh, mama. Look at this purple eyeshadow. I love it. So much. It's so shiny. Okay. I'm getting distracted by shiny things, and those shiny things are my eyelids. Send help. Okay. I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna focus on this video. Okay. Alright, that's it. My camera battery is about to die. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for spending part of it here. I love your face so much. Oh, have a great day. Have a great day. Bye.